looking at the text, I know that I'd like for it to be lined up. I'm going to zoom out first, and it should look similar to our sketch where it's lined up with the edge of the wall, and it's far enough down that it doesn't interfere with the door swing on the right hand side. Here's what I'll do. Again, using lines as guides for now, I'll select line. I'm going to draw a line from this endpoint and bring it down. And I could also, if I'd like, just draw another line here, taking it across. And I know that the text should then go somewhere below here. What I need to do is move the text. I'm going to select the text, and as you can see, it has a grip point. This grip point refers to the insertion point of the text. I'm going to take it from that grip point, and I'm going to turn polar off. The next thing I want to do is go down to my object snap, right click it, go to settings, and at this point I'm actually going to clear all and just turn on nearest and OK this. What's going to happen now is I have the text selected, and it's going to snap to the nearest point along this line, which basically means it's going to be aligned right here. I'll select this point for now. To make the grips go away, tap the escape key once, and now I'll do the same for the scale. Select it, and I understand that the command line is indicating stretch, and that's fine. Remember, I've told you before where stretch and move seem to act in the same way. Now what I'll do is place it at the nearest point here, and then tap the escape key again. And last, pan the drawing here for a moment. I'm going to click here and zoom in, right click and exit, and draw one more line from the nearest point here, taking it over, turning ortho on, and placing it there. And then, because I don't need this line or this one anymore, notice how I'm gripping it first, and then I will select erase. Going to zoom extents, and I would say that the sketch done by hand and the Autocad drawing appear very similar to one another. Of course, I could have been a little bit more exact and placed this line in the exact center, and that just requires a little bit more planning, and that's completely up to you, whatever you'd like to do. Before I forget, I'm going to right click O-Snap, select settings again, and I don't need nearest anymore, and I'm going to select my endpoint, midpoint, intersection one more time, and I'll select OK.